you ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice.
Hey style gang, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you can see on my table, I have some lab products. So I'm going into the lab today, guys, to do a quick and easy hack for you guys. So watch me do a setting spray, okay, and let me know what you think. Okay guys, so let's get into the video now. Guys, as you can see, this is a quick and easy setting spray. Now I can definitely show you a different type another day if you like this. Okay, so go down in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. Now guys, today I am going to do a rose water and aloe setting spray, and this is very good for oily skin. Okay, now as you can see here, this is my rose water and I've already measured it. It is supposed to be 6 grams. Okay, so we're going into our bottle here. Now guys, honestly, I'm not supposed to use all of this because I did go over the amount. Okay, so that is it, and here is distilled water or purified water. Okay, so we're going to use this, and basically this will be 90% of the spray. Okay, so we're not going to use all of this here. Okay, now all we gotta do is get something to mix this around. Now guys, I don't have the aloe vera here, but I'm gonna show you how I pick my natural aloe vera and make gel paste out of it and add it to this here. Okay, and that will also be 6 grams. Okay, so you go ahead and get this all mixed up properly, and after mixing that properly, as you can see, I have my old setting spray bottle here, so I will just go ahead and throw this in the bottle. Ooh, and y'all will see what this does. Here is the aloe straight from my backyard. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and scrape it. Okay, so we are going in and we're gonna pour this into the bottle. Reattach the cover. Okay, and then we're gonna shake, give it a good shake. Okay guys, now I don't want to show the label because the label is still on the bottle, but we're gonna go in with a little makeup on my hands, and then I'm gonna show you that it really works. Okay, this formula should keep you fresh throughout the day. If you are new here, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of these videos. And if you are a resident subscriber, go on, big up yourself. Thank you. Continue to share, comment, and like the video, and click the notification bell so you can see whenever I upload. Bye.